case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1939, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the landmark case of Coleman v. Miller, which ultimately established the principle that Congress has the authority to set a reasonable time limit for states to ratify a proposed constitutional amendment, and that this decision cannot be subject to review by the courts. The case stemmed from the proposed child labor amendment, which was introduced to the Constitution by Congress in 1924. Kansas initially rejected the amendment in 1925 but reconsidered it in 1937. A deadlock occurred in the Kansas Senate with 20 senators voting for the amendment and 20 against it. The lieutenant governor broke the tie by voting in favor of the resolution, setting the stage for a legal battle. Subsequently, 21 members of the Kansas Senate, including the 20 who had voted against the amendment, and 3 members of the House of Representatives, filed a lawsuit to compel the Secretary of the Senate to erase the endorsement on the resolution and prevent officers from announcing its adoption. The petitioners argued that the lieutenant governor's deciding vote should not have been allowed due to the prior rejection of the amendment by 26 states. The Supreme Court of Kansas decided to hear the case, despite the implication of a federal question. Upon reviewing the case, the Supreme Court held that it was ultimately within Congress's purview to decide if an amendment had been adopted within a reasonable time. As a result, the court upheld the decision by the Supreme Court of Kansas to deny the petitioner's request for a mandamus, affirming its ruling based on the rationale set forth in the opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.